welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Patience Moyi. If you are new here, you are most welcome and thank you for joining the family. Today, as by our title, we are going to do an apartment tour. This is a staycation where I'm going to stay for the weekend. So I just thought I would show you around and let's do this together. Okay guys, so as you walk in, there's obviously the door, which is a really very good quality, and I really love the locks on this house. And this is the first thing that you come to see in the house when you get here. It's this is actually a console table, and as you can see here, people who smoke, you have your own. So you get the cigarette tray for all those people who smoke, a small dispenser here. So that is the kitchen. I am really very in love with the space. It has very good tiles. It is very clean. The curtains are also very neatly pressed. We have cutlery here, a drying rack, a kettle, maybe if you want to pull up some hot water. We have a blender, which this is very good brand. I really love it. And we also have here a toaster, a water jug, cutlery, more cabinets on the ground, which they have like sufurias and whatnot. And yeah, here we have the gas cooker. I mean, this is so great because it uses electricity, so I'm really in love with this. We have the microwave, very good quality, and more cabinets here that have containers if you're really staying here for a long time. And of course, I brought my green tea with me, so here we have cups, glasses. We also have wine glasses and a big bowl in case you need to cook something like eggs or beat anything. We have plates in there, and then we have the fridge here. It's not really small and it's not really big. I feel like it's very good for this space. It has good compartments for everything, so I'll not open the top one because there are things that we've stored there. So a fridge guard in case anything. So now here we have the sitting room. So I think we'll start with the dining area. I feel like these seats are very cute. I don't know about you guys, but I love the quality. It's very aesthetic. I love it. I also love the table. So I love the top part where it's woody, and then there is the metallic part on the ground and the little carpet. So we have files there to give you instructions about the house. So we have that light. There are very many lights in this house. One of the things I'm very excited about, and the large window, of course. We have the seats and a very good, nice placement of anything. If you're seated there, remote. We have the small table here. That's my cup. We have obviously my ring light somewhere there. So I am really in love of the good quality curtains, and also the shades. They give the room a bit more brightness that comes in. Yeah, we have the glass doors that only goes one way. I really feel like this is great. So I'll give you a view of the house from outside. So that's from the outside. Those are other apartments. So guys, let me take you to the rest of the tour. of the other rooms. So let's go. I'm in love with this bright mirror over here. Hey guys. So this is a very large mirror. As you can see, very large. Extremely actually. We have the bathroom. Of course, I've already set up everything. So this is a glass door. We have the shower right there. I love lighting. We have a small window here, which I think this is pretty nice for shavers and for us who do makeup. So we have everything set up here. So this came with the house. This didn't. This also came with the house. This is a toothbrush. They offer you a shower gel, shampoo, body lotion, and also soap. This is a dental kit. We have a napkin here. We have a shoe napkin there. We have a towel. My things that are already set up. the bathroom, the toilet actually over here. Then this is the compartment where they put the tanks for the water heater. So let me now give you a general view of the bathroom. Now let's go to this is a 2-bedroom house actually. So the other room is my friend's, so she loves her space, so definitely we're not going into that. So we're going to the other room that's going to be my room. So let me show it to you. So this is obviously her room. Knock knock, who's home? No one. So guys, this is now my room. I love the lighting, and I love that they have mirrors each and every room you go to. So obviously you'll find a small seat here. I love this space because now this is the compartment we've put like makeup and all not. So this is the table that you can do your makeup from, or also the bathroom. I mean, it doesn't really matter. So I have my daily planner here. You should get this daily planner. I will hook you up from where I got it from. So it was also a present from my friend. So yes, the good quality curtains again. Can you guys see this? Can you let me make you feel it. The good quality curtains. Good quality curtains, good shears that help with bringing in a lot of light. I really love that about this place. So these are really cute lamps over here. So it has a woody placement, and I really love the quality of things here in this house. And also the pillows really feel nice. Lighting everywhere. I love this lighting. So this is the closet. So it's a sliding closet. Shall I really show this to you guys? But I've already like unpacked most of my things. So we also have the other lamp over here, still the same woody stand, and I really love it. So let me now give you a general view of the whole room. And we also have a dustbin over there. Yeah, just in case I didn't tell you. Yes. As you get to pay for this house, it comes in with 3 major things that you guys should definitely know about it. So you're given access to amenities in this building. So you can go to the sauna. Yes, my people, you can go to the sauna. You paid for it. You can also get someone to do your laundry for free. I mean, you've already paid for it, yeah. And you can also go for swimming. So I think we're gonna meet there. So let's do this.